You've put a lot of work into your online store, so of course you want people to be able to find it. One of the best tools to help with this is SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search results. Organic traffic is the portion of unpaid search results, and the portion of search results shoppers tend to trust most. Now, SEO is most effective when specific search terms are targeted. The more specific the term, the closer the shopper is to making a purchase, which makes these terms really important to your bottom line. For example, here's a fairly specific search for you cat lovers out there. Let's say I want to find a bow tie for my cat, so I Google casual bow tie for cats. Okay, none of these photos are really catching my eye. But I am intrigued by business catual because it sounds like they really know cats. Yes, that's exactly what I'm looking for. That's the power of SEO. A fantastic thing about SEO is that a company's online presence grows over time. So investing in quality SEO work today will have tremendous long-term benefits. But how does SEO work? Well, search engines are primarily interested in a website's relevance, trustworthiness, and authority. So a solid SEO strategy will aim at improving these three things, typically by optimizing your website and by influencing the ecosystem of websites relevant to your store. Executing a quality SEO strategy can be pretty difficult. Fortunately, the Volusion platform has technical SEO built in, so you don't even have to think about it. For SEO work that requires more of a human touch, like keyword research, content strategy, and link building, Volusion provides a ton of free resources to help you too, from ebooks to live webinars. If you want help running an effective SEO campaign, consider working with Volusion. We offer in-house SEO services dedicated to e-commerce. For more information, call us at 1-888-750-3996 or fill out the form below to speak with a marketing advisor.